down the endless miles of white lines and asphalt. Every diner and dive bar is a treasure in the vault. We met a man in a faded cap, served in Vietnam, shared a coffee and a story, gentle as a song. Pulled into a dusty lot, smelled the barbecue, food truck kings and cafe queens, serving something true from the neon signs blinking to the grease upon the grill. It's the heartbeat of the nation, and it gives me quite a thrill. Oh, we're living on America's highways, coast to coast, meeting all the special people that we love the most. From the mountains to the oceans, underneath the open blue. God bless this open road, and America, we love you. Down in the dark, where the stalactites grow, met a hermit in a cavern where the cool winds blow. Then up the jagged coastline where the beacons pierce the night, lighthouse watchers standing guard, keeping ships in sight. We pony the tires south where the sun is always bright. Saw an old alligator soaking in the morning light. And out in the crystal springs, gentle as a breeze, the slow and quiet magic of the Florida manatees. Oh, we're living on America's highways, coast to coast, meeting all the special people that we love the most. From the mountains to the oceans, underneath the open blue. God bless this open road, and America, we love you.